In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Volvo S40 key fob. This is an easy process. You can do it at home. It just takes a couple minutes. The only things that you'll need are a CR2032 battery and a small sized Phillips head screwdriver. This is a number 0 screwdriver I will be using. If you don't have one this small, I'll just recommend this cheap set that I personally use. You can get these on Amazon, and there will be a link down in the description where you can find this for like a couple bucks. It's like $5 or something, if I remember correctly. And also, there will be a link in the description to get these batteries on Amazon, also for a great price. First step here, find the switch on the bottom of the key fob and just hold that down, pull out the internal key. And now in this hole, right in here, there is the little screw that we'll be removing. It's hard to see it on camera, so I'm just going to go ahead and take that out. Just going to dump out the screw. This is the size that you will need. Number 0 works great. And from here, what I like to do is just put the screwdriver back inside that hole, push it down, and then just kind of pry off the back using the lip where this where the key came from. And it comes off pretty easily. From here, we're just going to pry the battery out, gently lift that battery up and out. Get rid of your old battery, grab your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it and all this information is facing down. And you can just snap that into place, positive side down, and now we can put it all back together. So set this right on top, squeeze it all back together, and now can put the screw back in there. Sometimes it goes sideways. Just make sure that it's lined up and screw it in there. And from here, you are all finished. You're just gonna put that key back in there, and now you have a new battery inside. It should last you for a very long time, and you are good to go. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.